That still needs a little time. Yeah, we can give it one more minute. Alright. Here we go. The moment of truth. Or failure. Or the moment that we have to go to the veggies. And the moment that we're still slacking on the cheese. Ah! My cheese fell apart. But it will seemingly come back together. Because I need it to. And timer, I love you, but shut up. My timer and I, we get along on, we have our own terms. That other one I'm going to leave cheeseless because I'm just going to have it for, like, lunch tomorrow anyway. Let's go. Wait, veggies. Gonna use a fork and knife. Give these all a quick flip. Carrots can just do whatever. We just flip around the carrots like no big deal. There it is. Let's go. That's our balsamic vinaigrette. For those of you who were not here earlier, that's what we're using. Going back in. Burgers. We're good. Oh, that piece of cheese. The piece of cheese that left me. Probably gonna be super delicious. I'll just let it fry in the oven. I'll just grab that later. Leave it on the side. Oh yeah. Alright, off heat. Let's go. Let's make a burger. Alright. What do I want on my burger? I want ketchup. I want probably be good. Red pepper and feta spread? Wait, what? I gotta try this. This might be good on a burger. Red pepper and feta spread. Looks pretty darn good. Feta is really good on a burger too. Let's try this out. Here, let's see. I'll try it off the package. Yeah, that's going on my burger. That is going on my burger. And that'll go so good with pineapple too. Yes. Please and thank you. Alright, here we go. Assembly. Let's get this bad boy together. Mayonnaise. I want mustard too. I like it all. Alright, here we go. Assembly time. I'm going to put this one up and the other one up as well. Might as well, right? Why not? Start with a layer of ketchup so you can at least see that that's there. Oh, come on. We're running on low supply of ketchup, apparently. Well, I didn't have to do it that way, but that's okay. I could have left it to where I could see a little bit more on the sides. Let's see if we can get it that way, though. That'll be good. I'm fine with that. Stuff that in the middle. Might as well. Alright. Goodness, it's almost like saturated in oil. Hold up. Paper towel this off really quick a little bit. Get a little bit of that oil off of there. Yeah, that was a good idea. Can we see the bacon still? Or do I need to pull it out? Yeah, I'm going to pull it out. You got to see the bacon. Ah! Bacon bit off. Alright. Actually, you know what? For some reason, I'm thinking right now, the combination, like I normally like mustard on a burger, but I'm thinking the combination of mustard and freaking pineapple, I'm not liking the idea in my head right now, so I'm going to pass on that. I don't know how well that would combo together. This feta, though, this will combo together. Ah. Stuff everywhere. Okay. We're getting there. But did I miss the co-stream you had planned? No, you haven't missed it. It's going to be at the end of this month. Kate's leaving on like the 28th, I think, or something like that. So, like a few days after that, it'll probably be the beginning of September. Or November, sorry. November. Be like November, first few days of November sometime. I'll announce the date. I'll make sure everybody knows. I got you. What are you putting on the veggies? That was balsamic vinaigrette, in case you didn't catch that. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, so here we go. See, like, I want to be able to see the onion, but at the same time, it's like, it's freaking huge already. Okay, there. I can see everything. I'm happy with that. That's exactly how I wanted it. As long as I can see every layer, I'm good. I'm good. Alright, we don't need to see the damn mayo. I just want it on there. I'm going to put it on the back of here. Yeah, this is literally just going to be a burger photo. I'm not plating anything else with this. This looks fantastic as it is. I'm so happy with this already. Bam. Bam. Alright, let's move stuff over here really quick. Actually, I don't want that on the stove. I need to put that in the fridge here in a minute anyways. Alright, let's go full screen. And let me cut this cake open here in a second for you guys. Let's see what we did with that. If we accomplished or achieved our end results. Need more counter space. Can't work with stuff everywhere. Okay. Good enough. Let's get it full screen here. I'll show you guys. Alright. Bam. Here's our burger. We got, if it'll hold together on me. Be like, I'm afraid to tilt it. There's your layers right there. Gigantic. Every layer clearly shows, which I'm very happy with. A little bit of excess of ketchup. But yeah, I feel I should get a picture of this before it falls